Birds flying high, you know how I feel. Sun in the sky, you know how I feel. Breeze drifting by, you know how I feel. It's a new dawn, it's a new day, it's a new life for me, and I'm feeling good. Doo-doo. And I'm feeling good. Good morning. In fact, good afternoon, 12:05 by the watch. A very warm good afternoon to you on a midweek. Firstly, cheers on a lovely cup of roasted brown coffee from me, Justine Kapani. I'm the founder and CEO of a setup in New Delhi NCR by the name of I'm Decon Design. We are in the business of designing and manufacturing home and office decor and interior solutions. We do some interesting stuff like this also. This is a coaster in a semi-precious stone item. This is an imported material, so this is one of the products of mine, which is a coaster. There is jewelry in this, there are trays in this. They are, there's cutlery in this. There are picture frames in this. We've extended these to lamps. There are tabletops in this. There's furniture in this and stuff, and so on. For Halloween, Christmas, New Year, we've got interesting creations as well. And of course, there are lots and lots of other interesting products which are for home and office decor, hotels, offices, co working spaces, banquets, guest houses. Then you have resorts, I've already shared. Anybody and everybody who wants to do shopping or wants to do some gifting or is doing up their house, apartment, villa, um, embassy, they're looking to resell, they want to get into trade or something. We design and we supply products. uh, I'm an award winner. This is not about me, this is going to be a different share. I'm an award winner about 5 awards globally and in Evice, national level awards, and a certificate at various forums about 18 to 19 for thought shares in startup and on various subjects and topics like media, environment, United Nations subjects, and what else? Environment, peace, and humanity, and wildlife, and design, architecture, music, fashion, mental health, and lots and lots of these. This is not about me actually, this is about a share. I've just gotten into this thing about going for a walk and coming back, which I used to do religiously forever, and I started doing more of this, walking during Corona. And there are lots of changes I noticed in me now. I've got a pet also at home, so we tend to walk more. And I realized that, nature in its own fashion is kind of become a natural prescription for me, which a doctor could advise. So I got meeting with a couple of worldwide doctors and stuff, and doctors of Mr. Narendra Modi, and one of them also complimented me a few years back that I was asking questions on a TEDx level. A doctor I met recently thought I was a PhD level myself and stuff. Let me clarify this. I'm not. I'm actually with 25 years of experience in corporate world. I've been in business management, global PR, communication, marketing, branding. I've handled radio, TV. I had my own design agency when I was 24. I've done event management as well. I've handled more than 3,000, 4,000 brands and stuff because I was in global marketing and stuff and all. I've got about 25 years of experience I've already shared. And then now as an entrepreneur, I'm an ideas person as well. I speak at various forums. I've become a brand ambassador to the country and so much more. The core work is now in designing and supplying home and office interior products and solutions and stuff. I work on other projects as well. And now coming back to the topic, which is the nature, which has become a natural prescription for me. I go for a walk daily in the morning and evening. I used to walk only twice a day. Now I go at least 4 5 times a day. So most of my shares are through experience and stuff. Nothing which I share is which I don't relate with or I've not experienced and stuff. So it's not hawa mein bol diya ya pad liya ya kuch and all that. Okay, because I believe that people who follow me or people who like to kind of absorb information, people like me are responsible for a lot of impact that we leave, and it's not just about being just thought sharers and stuff. We are impacting the world in a way. I'm not launched myself officially, so people have started telling me that I'm influencing in certain ways. Somebody gave me a compliment in a coffee shop. Thank you so much. I had not thought of it this way. I was not marketing myself in a professional manner. Maybe I will get to it, but I was only sharing my thoughts because I was not very active out there because of my neck cervical. I had so much to talk and share, so I started a channel of my own. I've not marketed it officially. Again, I'm repeating. So all the views and everything is just without marketing it. And I would like to thank the viewers. I think I've taken note of it over the last 2 3 days. I've got about 800 views to 600 to 400 to about 900 now, I think, on some of the Instagram feeds and stuff. So thank you so much for following me and giving me a thumbs up. And I may consider going formally, but I'm not doing it right now, right? So let me take you on to video 2.